What do I do? Do I just tap and smear it?
That's one way of doing it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I have my daughter who keeps going out of frame. And she is actually going to do my makeup with something that I bought her for her Christmas present.
Yay!
What did you get? She is going to be doing my makeup with the Wizardry and Witchcraft by Storybook Cosmetics palette.
Harry Potter.
Well, no, they can't do that, but close. Alright, so it looks like this. It's beautiful. It's perfect for winter. They are makeup brushes that look like wands. How fun. So, do you want to start off with, what do you start off with?
The translation shade?
The translation shade?
I forgot what it's
That's close enough. Translation? Sure. Alright, let's go on with translation. What brush are you going to use for that?
I'm going to use this one.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
It looks like you still have makeup on.
No. No makeup.
Your eyebrows look mad.
My eyebrows look mad. You guys get to see my beautiful hairline behind my ear. You're welcome.
You're going to be in Gryffindor.
I'm going to be in Gryffindor?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool with me.
There we go.
Does it look beautiful?
Mm-hmm.
Perfect.
So far.
Alright, do you want to do the other eye or do you want to continue on this eye?
I'm going to
Continue on this? You're going to do the other eye?
Yeah, I'm going to put this one got over here.
That's okay. We'll brush it off.
In the pupil.
In my pupil? No, it's not my pupil.
Oh, in the corner of your eye. Now, I'm going to pick out my colors.
Okay.
Wait.
Show them what you're doing.
I'm going to
There
do
we go.
this one, and this one.
Ooh, you're going dark. Alright, what's the next color you're using?
I'm going to use the darkest.
You want to do it the darkest?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, where are you going to put it on?
The corner of your eyeball.
The corner?
Yes.
Ooh, that's good. Okay. Close my eyeball.
Which side?
Do this one first.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Oh, wait, hold on.
Huh?
Nope, we're good. We're still recording. Oh, beautiful.
There.
Any more?
This is so out of balance.
It's so out of balance. Does it look even?
This one looks fatter, this one looks skinny.
Let's see here. I think they look pretty even though. Don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, okay.
Now we're going to go with the lightest.
The lightest? Wow, that's pigmented. Ooh.
Wrinkling.
Oh, sorry.
We're squinching.
I'm squinching?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm opening up real big. Is that better?
Yeah.
Wow, my eyelids look huge like this. Wow, I got big eyelids.
I think that's good. That eye's good.
This eye's good?
Yeah.
Oh, that is a pretty color. Oh, it was pigmented. The color looks like it looks like in the pan.
Pan?
Yeah, that's what these are.
Oh, so you meant like a cookie pan?
No, no. It's a makeup pan.
Oh, okay. Wait, are we gonna bloopers?
Yes.
Wait, I get it right there.
That one. And then to blend them together, what are you using?
This one.
That one?
Yes.
And where are you gonna, are you just gonna do it just on the top? Or are you gonna do it all over?
Just gonna do it all over.
All over?
Yeah.
Okay.
What do I do? Do I just tap and smear it?
That's one way of doing it. Oh, that looks much better. want to, but I think it looks very
I should-
avant-garde.
I think I should mix the brown a little bit more.
You can do that if you want to. I think the gradient is great. Aria's also doing the rest of my makeup, and she is going to be
Keeps
using...
on freezing.
It's okay, it's just lagging. She's going to be using one of my new Real Technique sponges. And
A foundation.
now remember, you don't want to get this in my eyebrows,
Why?
because then
You're
it
already
will...
anger from inside out.
Alright, you don't want to get this in my eyebrows, and you don't want to get it on my eyeshadow. So put it all over the rest of my face.
Do you know what this looks like?
What's it look like?
Like, in Egypt, they
In
have these.
Egypt? We
yeah.
went there? Okay.
No, in Egypt, like, it's one of those symbols, those eyeball symbols.
Show them on the camera what it looks like. There. It looks like an eyeball symbol from Egypt. Alright, let's put it on my face.
How
So
do
you
I
just
do it?
you just dab it
Okay, it's,
and then you blend it in.
oh wow! It looks like you got a huge puddle on your face.
But you gotta blend it in and spread it around. Not spread it like this. You just like this. all
Hands
over.
cold.
Say what? It's cold. It's freezing right now.
Now it's a robot. It's It's a cyclone. I don't know what it's called.
Cyclops?
Cyclops. I don't even know. How many eyes do Cyclops have?
One.
Oh, okay, then this is a Cyclops.
Best.
There.
Yeah?
I think it looks good.
It looks good?
Look. Your nose is a little white, so sorry.
It's okay. That's what bronzer's for.
What is the rarest eye color?
Gray and purple.
Oh, my teacher has gray eyes.
Gray eyes are pretty.
What about red eyes?
Red eyes are in people who have albinism.
Evilness.
Or evilness.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa. There. It doesn't look any better.
Okay, alright, so now we're gonna do blush. Now, where do you do blush normally?
On her cheeks.
On your cheeks, okay.
And everyone, you have 4 cheeks. 2 cheeks right here and 2 butt cheeks.
Okay. I'm sure they weren't aware of that, but now they are.
It looks like nothing's on here. It ain't showing up.
It ain't?
Yeah.
You can see my wrinkle?
Right here.
Okay, thanks. Making mommy feel real young right now.
I believe I can brush. I believe I can do my mommy's makeup.
This is opal. Look how pretty this is.
That
Yes. Sparkly.
there.
Look pretty?
Mhm.
Want to do some more?
You're starting to look like an Egyptian.
An Egyptian?
Um,
Egyptian?
Egyptian.
Ah, okay.
So I'll-
Egyptian.
I can see a tiny
Whoa. You see that?
bit. Sparkla!
Whoa.
So
Oh. Mm-hmm.
Keep on moving your eye.
I'm
No,
not-
I'm putting it in your eyelashes. Whoop, that.
Oh, wow, that's a really good wing. Wow, Aria, look at you.
Woo, so awesome.
That's a fabulous wing. Oh, my. That's a great wing. Wow, you did really good.
For my first try.
All right, do you want to do this side?
There.
You got it? Oh, that's like a double wing. Now I look Egyptian.
Ah, looks horrible. Looks horrible. Can't even see it.
Oh, there's not the first time.
Really?
Mm-mm.
I got some under teeth millions.
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, I got some under teeth. I'm done.
Oh, I am beautiful. Okay. What do you think?
Good. Subscribe and leave a comment below if you like this video. Also ring the bell button. Thank you. I don't know.
She did that. Very good. All right, this is the final look. I mean, I think it's beautiful.
And it was all me. Wait, you forgot mascara.
Oh, I did. I forgot mascara. All right, you guys.
What's this?
Look at that wing. She did so good. Okay, I think she did fabulous. Let me know down below how she did. And maybe she can come on here again and do my makeup again.
Bye.
Oh. Battery.
Bless you. Bless you.
I did.
I was going to start some quickly.
Oh, you're doing.
Oh.
It's okay. It's okay.
It's in your nose.
It's okay. We'll brush it off.
I'm losing.
You're losing?
Yeah, I'm losing this. Oh, you got 3 holes in your ear.
Okay.
You outlined the cheek.
Nope. Just like that, right there.
You scissored the face.
The nose. And the chin. You scissor the face. Alright, you guys. This is
Oops. Ow.
Alright.
Ooh.
There we go. What is that face?